Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 6b from chapter Solving Problems Based on Quadratic Equations. So coming to question number 10. An area is paved with square tiles of a certain size and the number required is 128. If the tiles had been 2 centimeters smaller each way, 200 tiles would have been needed to pave the same area. Find the size of the larger tiles. Now there is an area which is to be paved with square tiles. Okay, so कुछ एरिया है, कुछ फ्लोरिंग है, समथिंग जिसको हम लोग कवर कर रहे हैं विथ टाइल्स. यू आर कवरिंग द एरिया विद द टाइल्स. These are square tiles, okay, of certain size. What is the size of the tile? We don't know, okay. And the number required is 128. So 128 tiles are being fixed on the area, okay. So let's say there is certain area. Now what is that area? What is the shape of that area? It is not given. So let's say कुछ rectangular area है, does not matter, okay. कुछ area है जिसको हम लोग square tile से cover कर रहे हैं. Now we are covering it with the square tiles. How many such tiles are required? 128 tiles. पूरा area cover कर देगा 128 tiles, okay. So there is a square tile. We don't know the size, so let's say that each side is x, okay. Square tile है, so all sides are equal, x x x x, okay. And 128 such tiles are being fixed over here, okay. Now ये पूरा एरिया कवर कर रहे हैं, टोटल एरिया, okay. So total area I can say is equal to the number of the tiles, 128 tiles, into area of each tile. एक एक टाइल सर्टेन एरिया कवर कर रहा है, ऐसे 128 टाइल्स पूरा एरिया कवर कर रहा है. सो आई कैन से टोटल एरिया इज व्हाट? इट इज़ द नंबर ऑफ द टाइल्स इनटू एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल. एक एक टाइल का जो एरिया है इंटू 128 विल गिव मी द टोटल एरिया दैट इट इज कवरिंग, ओके. सो नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स इज 128. व्हाट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल? इट इज स्क्वायर टाइल. सो स्क्वायर का एरिया क्या होता है? इट इज साइड स्क्वायर. सो साइड इज एक्स, सो एक्स का स्क्वायर. सो 128 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर, दैट विल गिव 128 एक्स स्क्वायर. This is the total area, okay. Now coming to the next part. If the tiles had been 2 centimeters smaller each way, 200 tiles would have been needed to pave the same area. Now instead of taking the tile of this size, we are taking tiles which are 2 centimeters smaller each way. We are taking other tiles, okay, and each side is 2 centimeters smaller than the side over here. ये x है तो 2 centimeters smaller मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? x minus 2 each way. So all the sides x minus 2 x minus 2 x minus 2 x minus 2, all sides are equal. Again it is a square tile, okay. So again this is a square tile. 200 tiles would have been needed to pave the same area. We are covering the same area with this tile, okay. तो कितना tiles required है? 200 tiles. More tiles are required. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका एरिया कम है, तो ये कम एरिया कवर कर रहा है तो ज़्यादा टाइल्स लगेगा, राइट. सो नाउ वी आर कवरिंग विद दिस टाइल्स, ओके. सो दीज टाइल्स आर स्मॉलर एंड हाउ मेनी टाइल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड? 200. अगेन हम लोग पूरा एरिया कवर कर रहे हैं. सो टोटल एरिया दैट वी आर कवरिंग विद द टाइल्स इज 200 टाइल्स, दैट इज नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स इनटू एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल, करेक्ट. एक एक टाइल का जो एरिया है इनटू नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स, दैट विल गिव मी द एंटायर एरिया, ओके. So number of tiles is 200. Area of one tile क्या हो जाएगा in this case? it is a square only, so area will be side square. Side is x minus 2, so the whole का square. Okay, so it will be 200 into area of one tile, that is x minus 2 the whole square. Okay, so it will be 200 into x minus 2 the whole square. Find the size of the larger tiles. Which one is larger out of the two? Obviously this one is larger. ये x है, ये x minus 2 का साइज है, so obviously ये bigger size है. Okay, so we have to find the size. Size मतलब basically the length of the tile. Okay, length is this much, x, so we need to find x. Now how will we form the quadratic equation? Total area, this is the total area and it is going to be same. area तो चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, वो पोर्शन का एरिया, वो फ्लोर का एरिया, जो भी एरिया है वो चेंज तो नहीं हो रहा है, सिर्फ टाइल्स का साइज हम लोग चेंज कर रहे हैं. सो टोटल एरिया इज इक्वल टू दिस टोटल एरिया. ओके, दिस बेसिकली द एरिया जिस पे हम लोग टाइल्स फिक्स कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस. So 128x square is equal to 200 into x minus 2 the whole square. On solving this you will get the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation solve karo to you will get the value of x. Okay, so let us now write down the given in proper manner and start solving. So you have to write down a few statements. I have already written down. Now let the size of the larger square tile be x centimeters. First we are trying out larger tile, तो कितना tiles लगेगा, and then the smaller tile 2 centimeters smaller. So let the side of the larger tile be x and the smaller tile be x minus 2. Okay, so if paved with larger tile तो side is x centimeter, it is a square tile, so area क्या हो जाएगा, side square, that is x square. Number of tiles is 128. सो टोटल एरिया जो हम लोग कवर कर रहे हैं दैट इज नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स इनटू एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल, सो दैट विल बी 128x स्क्वायर. सेम थिंग फॉर स्मॉलर टाइल. ओके, सो साइड इज x minus 2, एरिया हो जाएगा x minus 2 द होल स्क्वायर. नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स रिक्वायर्ड आर 200 एंड टोटल एरिया कवर्ड इज 200 into x minus 2 द होल स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ वी नो दैट टोटल एरिया कवर्ड तो सेम ही है, एरिया तो चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, सो देयरफॉर दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस. Okay, so therefore just mark this as 1 and this as 2, so 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so now we'll come to the condition part. 128x square is equal to 200 into x minus 2 the whole square. So total area covered is same. Okay, same area को cover कर रहे हैं हम लोग, so therefore from 1 and 2 what can you say? 128x square is equal to 200 into x minus 2 the whole square. Okay, total area. Now we'll solve. So 128x square is equal to 200 into a minus b the whole square का formula apply करो. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 128x square is equal to 200x square minus 200 into 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 800x plus 4 into 200, that will give 800. Okay, so shifting everything in the LHS, so we'll get 128x square minus 200x square plus 800x minus 800 is equal to 0. So over here we'll get 72x square minus होगा. ओके, प्लस 800x minus 800 equal to 0. Now let us divide by -8. ओके, पूरा -8 से डिवाइड करते हैं हम लोग. दिस इज डिविजिबल, दिस इज डिविजिबल, दिस इज डिविजिबल. ओके, सो माइनस से डिवाइड करें, क्यों? क्योंकि x स्क्वायर को मुझे पॉजिटिव करना है. ओके, सो -72x square plus 800x minus 800 is equal to 0. Divide throughout by 8, -8. Okay, write down dividing throughout by -8. So minus minus plus हो जाएगा, 8 9s are 72. Okay, 8 100s are, सॉरी नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. साइंस आर गोइंग टू चेंज, ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा 800 सा एंड 0 डिवाइडेड बाय -8 0 हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ वी आर गेटिंग अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन प्रॉपर विथ स्मॉलर वैल्यूज. सम एंड प्रोडक्ट देखते हैं. प्रोडक्ट हो जाएगा 900 प्लस एंड सम इज -100. ओके, so product is positive, it means both the factors have same sign. What is the sign? Sum will tell you. Sum is negative, मतलब both the factors have negative sign. Okay, now both are negative, मतलब हम लोग add करके 100 लेके आएंगे and multiply करके 900. It's very easy. 90 into 10 will give 900. Okay, and 90 plus 10 will give you 100. Okay, so it's very easy. 9x square minus 90x minus 10x plus 100 is equal to 0. Taking 9x common, x minus 10. यहाँ पे minus 10 common लेते हैं, so x minus 10. Okay, brackets same आना चाहिए. x minus 10 into other bracket 9x minus 10 is equal to 0. So therefore I can say either of the two is 0. Okay, so therefore x minus 10 is equal to 0 or 9x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 10 or x is equal to 10 upon 9. Both the values are positive. Okay, ये fraction में मिल रहा है, but if you are getting positive value तो you have to accept it. Now what if it is 10 by 9? Let us check. If x is equal to 10 by 9, then the other side will be other, जो हम लोग ने टाइल लिया है, okay, that is x minus 2. So length of other टाइल क्या हो जाएगा? एक टाइल का तो x साइड है, दूसरे का क्या है? It is x minus 2. So it will be 10 by 9 minus 2. So it will be 10 by 9 minus 18 by 9 minus 8 by 9. Is it possible to have negative length? No. So therefore we'll neglect this. So therefore x is not equal to 10 by 9. Okay, give this reason. Okay, give this reason. Now therefore x is equal to 10. So we found the size of the larger tile. We had to find that only. Smaller tile का नहीं पूछा है. Had they asked तो 10 minus 2 हो जाएगा, 8 हो जाएगा. Okay, they might ask, so always be prepared. So therefore x is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, don't forget the unit. You are given that the other tile का length is 2 centimeter smaller, मतलब हम लोग को क्या यूनिट लेना है? सेंटीमीटर लेना है, नॉट मीटर, सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो x is equal to 10 centimeter. So therefore length or size of the larger tile is equal to 10 centimeter. Box the answer, write down this statement. Okay, had they asked smaller tile ka size, then it would be x minus 2, that is 10 minus 2, 8 centimeters. Okay, let's read the next question. Question number 11. A farmer has 70 meter of fencing with which he encloses 3 sides of a rectangular sheep pen, the fourth side being a wall. If the area of the pen is 600 square meter, find the length of its shorter side. Now there is a rectangular sheep pen. Sheep pen is a place where you keep all the sheep. Okay, so rectangular shape का sheep pen है. So let's assume a rectangle. Let's say there is a rectangle. Okay, now a farmer has 70 meter of fencing with which he encloses 3 sides of the rectangular sheep pen, fourth side being a wall. So this is a rectangular sheep pen and 3 sides are being fenced. Okay, so 3 sides पे fence लगा दिया है, 70 meter long fence है. Okay, so let's say that the farmer is fencing like this. Okay, 3 sides को fence कर दिया and एक side पे wall है. Okay, now if the area of the pen is 600 square meter, find the length of its shorter side. Area of the pen is given to us. Area of the rectangular pen, it is 600 square meter. and we have to find the length of the shorter side of the pen. Okay, this is a rectangular shaped sheep pen. तो rectangle में क्या होता है, लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ होता है. सो लॉन्गर साइड लेंथ, लेंथ, ब्रेथ, ब्रेथ. ओके, सो इतना पार्ट फेंस किया हुआ है. देयर इज़ वन मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन टू अस. फार्मर हैज़ 70 मीटर ऑफ फेंसिंग. ये जो फेंस है वो 70 मीटर है. सो दिस प्लस दिस इज 70 मीटर. ब्रेथ प्लस लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ इज 70 मीटर. Okay, that is twice breadth plus length is 70 meter. Okay, so now this is important part. You will get the relation between length and breadth. You can find both of them in terms of x. Okay, so we have to find shorter side. Let's say shorter side, that is breadth, is x. Okay, हम लोग assume करते हैं breadth is x. So if b is equal to x meters, लेंथ कितना हो जाएगा, सब्सटीट्यूट इन दिस. सो 2b प्लस l इज इक्वल टू 70. सो 2x प्लस l इज इक्वल टू 70. सो l इज इक्वल टू 70 माइनस 2x. सो bx है, l कितना हो जाएगा, 70 माइनस 2x. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द इम्पॉर्टेंट कंडीशन, एरिया. Area of the pen is 600 square meter. What is area of the rectangle? It is length into breadth, right? So area, that is 600, is equal to length into breadth. Length is 70 minus 2x. Breadth is x. So now you see you're getting a quadratic equation. 70 into x, 70x. Minus 2x into x, 2x square. Shifting everything, 2x square minus 70x plus 600 is equal to 0. You can still divide by 2. Okay, so you're getting a quadratic equation. On solving you will get the value of x, that is shorter side. Okay, so it's easy. I'll repeat. There is a rectangular sheep pen and a farmer is fencing. 70 meter का fencing है and he is fencing 3 sides. 4th side is wall. So let's say this side is wall. 3 side को fence कर दिया. Okay, so this plus this is 70, right? Perimeter इतना, not full perimeter, इतना part का it is 70 meter. So breadth plus length plus breadth is 70 meter. So 2b plus l is equal to 70. Now we need to find shorter side. So we have assumed breadth, that is shorter side, that we have assumed to be x. So length क्या हो जाएगा, substitute the value of breadth over here. Length will be 70 minus 2x. Now area is length into breadth. So x into 70 minus 2x will give you 600. On solving you will get the value of x. Okay, now we have assumed कि breadth length breadth किया हुआ है. What if it is not that way? What if the fencing is done length breadth length and this part is wall? मतलब basically 2 length है and 1 breadth लिया हुआ है. What if it is this way? You will still get correct answer. Even if you take it this way, you are going to get correct answer. Equation will be different, but you will get correct answer. Okay, so don't worry. Even if you take it this way, answer मिलने ही वाला है. Okay, does not matter breadth ये लिया या ये लिया. You are getting L plus B plus L is equal to 70 meter. थोड़ा सा difference हो जाएगा. Okay, ये change हो जाएगा. So you will get L plus B plus L is equal to 70. So twice L plus B is equal to 70. Okay, so breadth we have taken as x. तो length कितना हो जाएगा, length change हो जाएगा. Okay, so it will become 2L plus x is equal to 70. So 2L is equal to 70 minus x. So L is equal to 70 minus x upon 2. सो एरिया में अकॉर्डिंगली लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करो एंड सॉल्व करो. ओके, So x into 70 minus x upon 2 is equal to 600. You need to solve it that way. Okay. Length into breadth is equal to the total area. So you will get a different equation, but the answer is going to again come same. Okay. सिर्फ लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ का वैल्यूज़ जो है ओके वो थोड़ा सा चेंज हो जाएगा, दैट इज़ इंटरचेंज हो सकता है, बट यू विल गेट करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, आंसर जो आना चाहिए वही आंसर मिलेगा, वही वैल्यूज़ मिलेगा. ओके, सो we'll be considering this one only, this equation only. All right, I'm just telling in case you take it this way. All right, so now we'll write down the given in proper manner and start solving. Now statements are very very important. Okay, so let the length and breadth of the rectangular pen be L and B respectively. Okay, so we have assumed the breadth to be x meter. Okay, and therefore I can say B is equal to x meter. Now according to the diagram, how we have fenced, breadth plus length plus breadth is 70 meter because the total fencing is 70 meter. So this length plus this length plus this length is 70 meters. So we get this. Now in this you will substitute the value of breadth, that is x. So 2x plus L is equal to 70. So I can say L is 70 minus 2x meters. Okay. Now area, okay, we got breadth, we got length. Now we need to come to area part. Area is length into breadth. So 70 minus 2x into x is equal to 600. On solving you will get a quadratic equation. Now we need to solve the quadratic equation and find the value of x. So now we'll divide this by 2. All the numbers are divisible by 2 over here. So dividing by 2 throughout, 2 by 2 1, तो 1x square minus 70 by 2 35x, 600 by 2 300 is equal to 0. Okay, now product is 300 and sum is minus 35. Product is plus 300. Okay, 1 into plus 300 plus 300, sum is minus 35. Okay, so we need to find the factors. Product positive है मतलब both the factors have same sign. What sign? Sum will tell you. Sum is negative मतलब both the factors are negative. Okay, now to find the factors, let's factorize. 2 150s are okay, दोनों का एडिशन मुझे 35 नहीं देगा. 2 75s are okay, I still won't get 35. okay, ऐड करके 5 1s are 5 5s are, so 2 2s are 4 4 5s are 20 20 and 15. Yes, 20 15s are 300 and 20 plus 15 35. Okay, so splitting the middle term, x square minus 20x minus 15x plus 300 is equal to 0. Okay, so x into x minus 20, यहाँ पे taking minus 15 common, the signs will change. Positive x minus 15 20s are, so x minus 20 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. So x minus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 15 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 20 or x is equal to 15. Okay, both the numbers are positive. We are getting proper natural numbers. So we need to consider both the values. Let's consider both. If x is equal to 20 मतलब breadth is equal to 20. So breadth is equal to 20 meter. Length कितना हो जाएगा? Length is 70 minus 2x. So that will give 70 minus 2 into 20, that is 40. So 30 meters. Okay, and if x is 15, so if x is equal to 15, तो breadth is equal to 15 meter, breadth is equal to x, length will be equal to 70 minus 2x, so that is 70 minus 2 into 15 30, so that gives 40 meter. ओके, मतलब बेसिकली फेंसिंग कैसे हो रहा है? 40 प्लस 15 प्लस 15 right? That will give 17. 40 plus 15, 65. Sorry, 55 plus 15, 70. Okay, so breadth plus length plus breadth. Same thing over here. Length is 30 and this is 20. So 30 plus 20, 50 plus 20, 70. Okay, so it is like this. What if we had taken the other way around? What if we had taken length, breadth and length? ऐसे fencing होता तो. Let's just see. Okay, so for those who don't want to know, okay, you can stop the video over here, but those who are interested in knowing कि अगर ऐसे लिया होता तो क्या आंसर मिलता, you can proceed. So if we had taken this way and breadth is equal to x, तो length क्या हो जाता? We know that length plus breadth plus length is equal to 70. So twice L plus B is equal to 70. So twice L is equal to 70 minus x, B is x. So L is equal to 70 minus x upon 2. So we are getting breadth has this, length has this. So area क्या मिलता? We would get length into breadth, that is 70 minus x upon 2 into x is equal to 600. So shifting to 1200 is equal to 70x minus x square. So x square minus 70x plus 1200 would be equal to 0. Okay, so equation is different. Product क्या है? 1200 positive. Sum क्या है? minus 70. Now finding the factors. Positive है मतलब both the numbers have same sign. Which sign? Negative. Okay, now 1200 का factors, it's easy. 30 and 40. Okay, 3 4s are 12 and 0 0, and 30 and 40 का sum gives you minus 70. Okay, so x square minus 30x minus 40x plus 1200 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 30 minus 40 into x minus 30 would be equal to 0. So we would get x minus 30 into x minus 40. So basically x is equal to 30 or x is equal to 40. I've skipped the steps. Okay, so we would get these two values. मतलब we would get breadth as 30 or 40. Here the breadth is longer. Breadth हम लोग को बड़ा मिल रहा है. Okay, so breadth is not the shorter side in this case. Okay, so if we would have taken this way, so breadth would be the longer side, not the shorter side. Okay, so you just have to say let the breadth be x meters. You don't know which one is shorter, which one is longer. Breadth longer है या shorter है. In this case we don't know. Okay, so we just write down let the breadth be x meter, so length is this much meter. Okay, so if breadth is 30, तो लेंथ कितना हो जाएगा? 70 माइनस एक्स अपॉन 2, सो दैट इज 70 माइनस 30 अपॉन 2, सो दैट वुड गिव 40 अपॉन 2 विच इज़ इक्वल टू 20. ओके, सो फेंसिंग कैसे होता? लेंथ वुड बी 20, ब्रेड्थ वुड बी 30 एंड दिस वुड बी अगेन 20. मतलब लेंथ हम लोग को छोटा मिल रहा है, ब्रेड्थ हम लोग को बड़ा मिल रहा है. इट मीन्स लेंथ इज़ शॉर्टर एंड ब्रेड्थ इज़ लॉन्गर. सो बेसिकली जो हम लोग ने फर्स्ट डायग्राम लिया था वो राइट था. शॉर्टर लॉन्गर शॉर्टर साइड पे ही फेंसिंग है. एंड इफ ब्रेड्थ वुड बी इक्वल टू 40 देन व्हाट वुड बी द लेंथ? इफ ब्रेड्थ इज 40 then this becomes 30 upon 2, that is 15. So you see you are still getting same answer. आंसर में डिफरेंस है, सिर्फ ब्रेथ और लेंथ इंटरचेंज हो गए हैं. ओके, ब्रेथ इज द लॉन्गर साइड ओवर योर एंड लेंथ इज द शॉर्टर साइड. सो डोंट जस्ट राइट डाउन दैट ब्रेथ इज द शॉर्टर साइड और लॉन्गर साइड. यू कैन जस्ट राइट डाउन लेट द ब्रेथ बी x, let the length be so and so. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to you. Moving on to next question, question number 12. A square lawn is bounded on 3 sides by a path 4 meter wide. If the area of the path is 7 by 8, that of the lawn, find the dimensions of the lawn. Now it's very easy. Okay, there is a square lawn and it is bounded on 3 sides by a path 4 meter wide. So lawn है जिसका shape कैसा है? Square का shape है. So let us consider the square lawn. Okay, So a square lawn is bounded on 3 sides by a path 4 meter wide. 3 sides पे there is a path, okay, only on 3 sides, not on the 4th side. So consider any 3 sides. Square में तो सारे sides same ही होते हैं. So there is a path, okay, around the lawn on 3 sides, okay. So कितना वाइड है? 4 मीटर वाइड पाथ है. सो 4 मीटर 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 4 मीटर, राइट. यहाँ से 4 मीटर, यहाँ पे भी 4 मीटर, ये भी 4 मीटर, ओके. सो पूरा 4 मीटर का पाथ है अराउंड द लॉन. दिस इज द लॉन, ओके. इफ द एरिया ऑफ द पाथ इज 7 by 8 that of the lawn, find the dimensions of the lawn. Dimensions of lawn find करना है. That is basically lawn is a square, so you have to find the side of the square, okay. So let's say the side of the square lawn का side is x, okay. So let's say this is x, तो all the sides are x over here, okay. ये भी x है, ये भी x है, ये भी x है, okay. And this is the lawn, okay. So let's say that for lawn the side is x मीटर ले रहे क्योंकि 4 मीटर वाइड पाथ बोला है. पाथ मीटर में दिया है तो इसको भी मीटर में लो, ओके. डोंट चेंज द यूनिट्स. नाउ x है, ओके. एंड व्हाट रिलेशन इज गिवन टू अस? इफ द एरिया ऑफ द पाथ इज 7 by 8 ऑफ द लॉन, सो एरिया ऑफ पाथ, ओके, ये जो पाथ है उसका एरिया इज 7 by 8 ऑफ द लॉन. ऑफ मतलब इनटू एरिया ऑफ लॉन. एरिया को एरिया से ही रिलेट करेंगे, ठीक है. सो एरिया ऑफ द पाथ, दिस पाथ, ओके, जो बाहर में ड्रॉ किया है, दैट पाथ इज 7 by 8 ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ द लॉन. सो एरिया ऑफ पाथ क्या है, एरिया ऑफ लॉन क्या है? लेट अस हैव अ लुक एट दैट. वी नीड टू गेट द इक्वेशन फ्रॉम दिस. दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. एरिया ऑफ लॉन इज ईजी. इट इज स्क्वेयर. साइड पता है तो एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वेयर इज साइड स्क्वेयर, ओके. सो एक्स स्क्वेयर मीटर्स, राइट. सो ये तो हम लोग को पता है. दिस इज एक्स स्क्वेयर, ओके. एरिया ऑफ पाथ, ये पाथ का एरिया क्या होगा? नाउ दिस इज नॉट सम शेप, ये ऐसा है पाथ, तो इसका एरिया कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? नाउ I'll draw this separately and show you how to find the area. ये लॉन है, ओके. x x x x एंड ये 4 मीटर 4 मीटर 4 मीटर पाथ है. सो इफ यू नोटिस विथ द पाथ दिस एंटायर एरिया इज अ रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है, राइट. अंदर में स्क्वायर है पर 3 साइड्स पे 4 मीटर 4 मीटर 4 मीटर है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये रेक्टेंगल का शेप हो जाएगा, ओके. यहाँ से देखो तो दिस एंड दिस, ये वाला लॉन्गर साइड होगा, ये वाला थोड़ा शॉर्टर साइड होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही 4 ऐड हो रहा है, ओके. एंड यहाँ पे 2 साइड पे 4 ऐड हो रहा है, यहाँ पे 2 साइड पे 4 ऐड हो रहा है. यहाँ पे भी 4 मीटर का पाथ है, यहाँ पे भी 4 मीटर का पाथ है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही 4 मीटर का पाथ है, 4th साइड पे नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ लाइक अ रेक्टेंगल, ओके. नाउ एरिया ऑफ पाथ फाइंड करने के लिए हम लोग डायरेक्टली तो नहीं फाइंड कर पाएंगे. एरिया ऑफ दिस होल थिंग माइनस एरिया ऑफ द लॉन विल गिव यू द एरिया ऑफ द पाथ, ओके. रेक्टेंगल का एरिया माइनस लॉन का एरिया विल गिव यू द एरिया ऑफ द पाथ. सो ये रेक्टेंगल का एरिया क्या है? वी नीड टू नो द लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ ओवर योर. लेंथ कितना हो जाएगा? ये x है इतना, यहाँ तक x है, यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 4 है, तो 4 + 4 + x, 4 + 4 8 हो जाएगा. 8 + x so that is x plus 8 meters. यहाँ पे सेम थिंग ऊपर में होगा, इतना x है, यहाँ पे इतना x है एंड इतना 4 मीटर, इतना 4 मीटर, सो x प्लस 8 मीटर, राइट. व्हाट अबाउट दिस लेंथ एंड दिस लेंथ? ये जो है इतना लेंथ, ओके, इतना पोर्शन तक इट इज़ x, करेक्ट. इतने पोर्शन तक दिस इज x एंड इतना पोर्शन में 4 ऐड हो रहा है, सो x प्लस 4 मीटर पूरा लेंथ, इतना x है, इतना 4 मीटर है, ओके. कंपेयर इट विद दिस, ये इतना x है, इतना 4 है, सो ये एंटायर लेंथ क्या हो गया, 4x प्लस 4 हो गया. सेम थिंग हो गई और सेम है, इतना पोर्शन x है, इतना पोर्शन 4 है, ओके. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो x प्लस 4. सो यू सी इट इज़ फॉर्मिंग अ रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है. एरिया क्या हो जाएगा इसका, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, x प्लस 8 इंटू x प्लस 4, ओके. सो दैट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ द एंटायर थिंग, लॉन प्लस द पाथ, ओके. सो एंटायर एरिया minus area of lawn is the area of path, right. area of lawn मुझे पता है, ये तो x स्क्वायर है, ओके. what is the entire area? Entire area is x plus 8 into x plus 4. so entire area minus area of the lawn will give you the area of the path, okay. Area of the path is 7 by 8 of the area of the lawn. So now you will get a quadratic equation, okay. थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है but it's actually easy if you understand, okay. स्क्वायर लॉन है, I'll repeat, स्क्वायर लॉन है, okay. now डायमेंशंस ऑफ लॉन फाइंड करना है, तो स्क्वायर में क्या होता है, साइड होता है. सो लेट्स से द साइड इज x, एरिया क्या हो जाएगा, x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. नाउ वी आर गिवन दैट एरिया ऑफ पाथ इज 7 by 8 ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ द लॉन. RHS ईजी है, 7 by 8 ऑफ x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, एरिया ऑफ लॉन इज x स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ पाथ क्या है, तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. नाउ देर इज़ अ पाथ अराउंड द लॉन, 4 मीटर वाइड पाथ है, तो 4 मीटर 4 मीटर 4 मीटर, ओके. नाउ entire area minus area of the lawn will give you the area of the path, okay. so entire area कैसे find out करेंगे, entire area के लिए पहले मुझे length और breadth find करने दो. length will be what, इतना portion x है, प्लस 4 पाथ का ऐड हो जाएगा, so x plus 8, okay. and over here it will be x plus 4, okay. so x plus 4, same thing over here, okay. and यहाँ पे x plus 8 मिला, यहाँ पे भी x plus 8 होगा, this is x and this is 4, okay. so entire area will be length into breadth minus area of the lawn, that is x square is equal to 7 by 8 of x square, okay. so it is easy, you just need to open the brackets, इसको multiply करो, so मिलेगा x square plus 12x plus 32 minus x square is equal to 7 upon 8 x square, okay. so on further solving you will get a proper quadratic equation. On solving quadratic equation you will get the value of x, that is the side of the lawn, okay, one side of the lawn, all right. so dimensions मिल जाएगा, that is basically the dimension. so let us write down the given in proper manner and start solving. so make sure you draw a proper diagram, okay. so lawn square shape का है, so draw a square first, okay. outside there is a path on 3 sides, okay. 3 sides पे path है, 4th side पे नहीं है, so the path is 4 meter wide. so draw a path at some distance, यहाँ पे भी path है, यहाँ पे भी path, and stop over here, join this, okay. 4 meter wide path है, so 4, this much is 4, this much is 4, इतना 4 है, ये 4 है, throughout 4 है, okay. now let the square lawn have side x meter, okay. so we have assumed the dimension to be x meter. area of the square lawn क्या हो जाएगा, x square, side square, okay. the path is of width 4 meter. So it's very very important you write down all the details. पहले हम लोग ने इसको x assume किया, एरिया क्या हो जाएगा, x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, पाथ क्या है 4 मीटर है. Now we need to know the area of the entire portion, okay, because we need to find the area of path. For that we need area of the entire portion minus area of lawn. Area of lawn we know. So area of entire portion के लिए कैसे करेंगे? So dimensions of entire space, that is we need to find the length and the breadth. Length क्या हो जाएगा? This much is x plus 4, so x plus 8. Same thing over here, इतना portion x है and यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे 4, okay, तो x plus 8. This much it is going to be x plus 4, x plus 4. So ये x plus 4 है, ये x plus 4 है, ठीक है. So breadth is x plus 4, तो area क्या हो जाएगा, x plus 8 into x plus 4. Now coming to the given condition, area of the path is 7 by 8 of the area of the lawn. So area of path क्या हो जाएगा, it will be area of entire space minus area of lawn. So this is equal to 7 by 8 of area of lawn. You can shift this over here and solve भी कर सकते हो क्योंकि ये x square है, ये भी x square है, okay. So I am not doing that way. This will be x plus 8 into x plus 4 minus x square is equal to 7 by 8 of x square, okay. So now we need to solve this. So multiplying the brackets, x into x plus 4, so x into x, x square plus 4x plus 8 into x, 8x plus 8 4s are 32 minus x square is equal to 7 by 8 x square. So x square will get cancelled, 8 plus 4 12x plus 32. Shifting it on the other side, we get is equal to 7x square. So 8 12s are 96x plus 8 2s are 16, 1 8 3s are 24 25 minus 7x square is equal to 0. So minus 7x square plus 96x plus 256 is equal to 0. Okay, so minus 7 into plus 256, that will give, let's see what we'll get. 7 6 are 42, 7 5 are 35 plus 4 39, 7 2s are 14, 17 हो जाएगा. So 1792 is the product minus 1792 plus minus into plus. Sum is plus 96. Product is negative, it means one factor is negative, one factor is positive. Which one will have which sign? Sum tells you sum positive है मतलब greater number is positive, smaller number is negative, okay. So 1792 का factors find out करते हैं. 2 8s are 2 9s are and 2 6s are. So इसका difference तो 96 नहीं देगा. 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 8s are, okay. Again this will not give 4 and 4 48. 2 1 sorry 2 2s are 2s are 4s are 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8. Again this will not give. 2 1s are 2s are. So 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16. 1 1 2 minus 16. So this will give you 6 and over here we'll get 9. So yes, this is giving us 96. So greater number is 112 and smaller number is 16, okay. So splitting the middle term, minus 7x square minus 16x plus 112x plus 256 is equal to 0, okay. Here we can take minus common and x common. So minus x common लेते हैं, in bracket we are left with 7x plus 16. Here also we need 7x, okay. So 112 को फैक्टराइज करके देखो कौन से नंबर से डिवाइड करना है to get 7. So 7 1s are 7 and 4 remain 7 6s are. So divide by 16, okay. 16 बाहर लो, that is basically you will take 16 outside. 16 7s are, okay, and here also automatically 16 16s are 256 equal to 0. So 7x plus 16 and minus x plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore 7x plus 16 is equal to 0 or minus x plus 16 is equal to 0. So therefore 7x is equal to minus 16 or minus x is equal to minus 16. So therefore x is equal to minus 16 upon 7 or x is equal to 16. Okay, so this is not possible because the length cannot be negative. So just write down x is not equal to minus 16 upon 7 because the length cannot be negative. So therefore x is equal to 16. meters. Okay, so therefore the dimension of the lawn is 16 by 16. Okay, so area नहीं पूछा है but the dimensions are side. Okay, over here, so the side of the lawn is 16 meters. You can directly write down the side of the lawn is 16 meter. Don't forget the unit meter, very very important, otherwise your marks will get cut. So write down the final statement, box the answer. Okay, proceeding to next question, question number 13. The area of a big rectangular room is 300 square meter. If the length were decreased by 5 meter and the breadth increased by 5 meter, the area would be unaltered. Find the length of the room. So over here there is a rectangular room. It's very easy sum. Okay, so area of the big rectangular room is 300 square meter. So there is a rectangular room, rectangle. Okay, area is 300 square meter. Now this is the length, this is the breadth. Okay, so I can say area is equal to length into breadth, right? This is equal to 300. Okay, now I cannot take two different variables. Quadratic equation है. Okay, so one of them I have to assume to be x and other I have to bring in terms of x. Okay, you cannot keep two variables, so assume one of them to be x. Okay, I'm assuming L to be x, so let's say L is equal to x meter. तो breadth कितना हो जाएगा? L into B is 300, area is 300, so L is x, x into B is 300. So B I can say is 300 upon x meter. मीटर क्योंकि ये मीटर स्क्वायर में है, so obviously this will be in meter. Okay, so length and breadth is this original. Okay, original. So far we are talking about original. If the length were decreased by 5 meter, ओरिजिनल में से 5 मीटर कम कर देते, लेंथ यू आर रिड्यूसिंग एंड ब्रेथ इंक्रीज बाय 5 मीटर. सो लेंथ यू आर रिड्यूसिंग एंड ब्रेथ यू आर इंक्रीजिंग बाय 5. द एरिया वुड बी अनऑल्टर्ड, एरिया फिर भी 300 रहता. ओके, सो इसमें अभी हम लोग 5 मीटर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं एंड यहाँ पे 5 मीटर ऐड कर रहे हैं. So area is still 300, unaltered है, not changing. Okay, so now still I can say length into breadth is equal to this, right? So length is what? X, so it will be x minus 5 meter. New length, new breadth क्या होगा? It will be b plus 5. What is b? 300 by x plus 5. Okay, meter. Now area is still the same, so L into B is equal to 300. So x minus 5 into 300 upon x plus 5 is equal to 300. Okay, so now you will get a quadratic equation. On multiplying and solving you will get a quadratic equation. On solving the quadratic equation you will get the value of x. Okay, so we need to find the length of the room. Length we have assumed to be x. Okay, breadth x assume किया होता तो दूसरा वाला length हो जाता. Okay, so we have assumed the length only to be x. Actually do that, that would be easier way to solving. Okay, सो डायरेक्टली लेंथ मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो लेट अस नाउ राइट डाउन द गिवन इन प्रॉपर मैनर एंड स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग. So we have assumed the original length to be x meter. Assume the length only to be x. Okay, क्योंकि length ही find करना है. So we have to find original length, not the new length. Okay. So let the length and breadth be denoted by L and B respectively. Okay. So L is x meter. That is what we have assumed. Breadth क्या हो जाएगा? So for breadth we'll use this information. Area is 300. So therefore breadth will be 300 upon x. Okay. So we got the length, we got the breadth. Now coming for the altered dimensions. Okay, so when you change the length and breadth, so what will happen? New length and breadth we are denoting by capital L and capital B. So new length क्या हो जाएगा? It is 5 meter less than the original length. So original length x है, so it is x minus 5, right? New length is L minus 5. L क्या था? X. So x minus 5. न्यू ब्रेथ इज ओल्ड ब्रेथ प्लस 5. ओल्ड ब्रेथ क्या था? 300 अपॉन एक्स. सो 300 अपॉन एक्स प्लस 5. ओके, नाउ एरिया इज स्टिल अनऑल्टर्ड, नॉट चेंज्ड. सो एरिया इज स्टिल 300. सो लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू 300. नाउ वील सॉल्व दिस. ओके, सो सॉल्विंग द ब्रैकेट्स. नाउ एक्स इनटू द ब्रैकेट minus 5 into the bracket, okay, is equal to 300. So first term into second bracket and then second term into second bracket. Okay, that is how we have solved. Now x into 300 upon x. So x will get cancelled and we'll get 300. X into 5, 5x. Here 5 into 300, 1500 upon x, and minus 5 into 5, minus 25. Okay, is equal to 300. 300 will get cancelled and we are left with 5x minus 1500 upon x minus 25 is equal to 0. Now multiplying by x throughout. Because we won't keep x in denominator. So 5x into x, 5x square, minus x into 1500 upon x, x cancel हो जाएगा, so 1500. Okay, you can practically solve and show. I'm not doing that way. Okay, you can multiply by x and here also multiply by x, here also multiply by x. Okay, so minus 25x हो जाएगा and 0 into x, 0. So now we are getting a proper quadratic equation. Divide by 5. Okay, you can get smaller numbers. So dividing by 5, x square minus 300 minus 5x is equal to 0. Rearranging the terms, x square minus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. Okay, so we are getting product equal to minus 300 and sum equal to minus 5. Okay, so we need to find the factors. So 300 को डिवाइड करते हैं. 2 150s are, 2 75s are. Now product is negative, so both the factors have opposite signs. So sum is negative, मतलब greater number is negative, smaller number is positive. Okay, we have to subtract the factors and get 5. So subtraction करना है. 4 and 75 subtract करके 5 नहीं मिलेगा, sorry 2 से नहीं होगा. So this will be, let's say 5 1s are 5 5s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 and 15. Yes, minus 20 plus 15 will give you minus 5 and multiply करके minus 300. So x square minus 20x plus 15x minus 300 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 20 plus 15 into x minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, so x minus 20 into x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x minus 20 is equal to 0 or x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 20 or x is equal to minus 15. Length can't be negative, right? So we'll neglect this. You just need to write down x is not equal to minus 15 because the length cannot be negative. So x is equal to 20. Okay, Now the length is x. Okay, so therefore the length of the room is 20 meter. Okay, so the length of the room is 20 meter. Don't forget the unit and box the answer. Okay, we have got the answer.